US Secret Service don suspend 6 of their staff because dem fail to protect Donald Trump for the assassination attempt last year, and at least 15 Palestinians don die, plus 8 small pikin and 2 women after Israeli strike attack near medical point for Deir al-Balah. Na small for today tori be dat. Na Pidgin Tori Global be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for the world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter today gist. No forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you go dey get correct gist for pidgin. US Secret Service don suspend 6 of their staff because dem failed to protect Donald Trump last year when gunman Matthew Crooks try shoot am for rally wey happen for Butler, Pennsylvania. One bullet even brush Trump ear before dem rush am comot. Crooks kill one person for the rally before dem shoot am down. Deputy Director Matt Quinn tell reporters say the attacks na operational failure. The staff wey dem suspend get punishment wey range from 10 to 42 days leave without pay. Quinn talk say the agency no go just dey sack people anyhow, but dem don already upgrade security, including better drones and mobile command posts to avoid repeat. The Senate report last year blamed poor security and bad communication for the attack, say e for no happen if dem secure the rooftop well. The attack make the Secret Service director that time, Kimberly Shito, resign. Since then, Trump don get extra security wey pass wetin presidential candidates normally dey get. The shooting still dey cause plenty wahala for the agency as anniversary of the incident dey near. When President Donald Trump announced the cuts for HIV/AIDS funding beginning of this year, plenty HIV patients for South Africa begin worry say dem no go see drugs again. Google, one HIV patient, lucky say the clinic give her 9 months supply before dem close, but by September, the drugs go finish, so she dey plan to go government hospitals. UNAIDS report don warn say all the big progress wey dem don make dey risk of spoiling if funding no improve. Since 2010, new HIV infections don drop by 40% and 4.4 million children don avoid the virus. Over 26 million lives don dey saved. But if money no dey, dem say extra 6 million people fit catch HIV and 4 million fit die of AIDS before 2029. Sub-Saharan Africa still dey suffer pass, even though new infections don drop by 56% for the region. Lesotho, Malawi, Rwanda and Zimbabwe dey try reach 90% drop by 2030 compared to 2010. UNAIDS warn say without steady support, all this progress fit waste. One UK parliamentary committee dey ask serious question give US company busting cost displacement. E also call again for immediate ceasefire for Gaza. Parliament Intelligence and Security Committee don talk say UK dey face rising and unpredictable threat from Iran and government need to do more to stop am. Dem release big reports wey check things like Iranian state assassination, kidnap, spying, cyber attacks and the nuclear wahala. The committee dey worry about how the physical threat to people wey dey oppose Iran for UK don sharply increase since 2022. Chairman Lord Beamish talk say Iran get high appetite for risk and their intelligence service dey well funded with plenty skill. The committee accuse government say dem dey do crisis management instead of long-term plan and dem dey too focus on nuclear program, forget other threats. Dem say Iran threat no dey as big as Russia or China, but e dey wide, stubborn and hard to predict. The report show say Iran don try kill or kidnap at least 15 people for UK since 2022. Dem dey target dissidents, Jewish and Israeli interests. Homeland Security Group talk say na the highest level of physical threat from Iran wey UK dey face now. But the report talk say Iran no see attacks on dissidents or Jewish Israeli targets as attack on UK, but just the way dem dey remove enemies for UK grounds. Prime Minister Keir Starmer and French President Emmanuel Macron dey hold meeting for number 10 to settle deal wey go make dem dey send some migrants wey land UK with some small boats back to France. Starmer talk say both countries agree say the wahala for the channel no fit continue like this. while Macron tok say dem ready to join hand fight di criminal gangs wey dey run di smugglings. Di plan na one in, one out agreement. As UK dey send migrants go France, France go dey send asylum seekers come UK, especially if dem get family for Britain. Dem never confirm di deal finish, but dem tok say dem fit start with about 50 migrants each way for di pilot test. But di number wey dey cross di channel every week still dey far higher than that. Dem don rescue 10 crew members, but at least 3 don die after Houthis attack one cargo ship for Red Sea wey come sink, according to European Naval Mission. Di Liberian-flagged Greek-operated Eternity Sea get 25 crew when e suffer heavy damage and lose power after Houthis fire rocket-propelled grenades from small boats on Monday. Na wetin UK Marine Trade Operations tok. Di attack continue on Tuesday as rescue operations begin overnight. Houthis wey Iran dey support tok say dem attack di ship because e dey go Israel and dem carry some crew go safe location. US Embassy for Yemen accuse dem say dem kidnap many of di survivors and call for their immediate release. Philippines authorities tok say 21 of di crew be their citizens. One Russian national wey dey among dem lose leg after e wound seriously. One security firm for Greece, Daplos, release video cities. Russia never talk anything about the latest attack. Na the tori be that for today.